In today's video, let me show you how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify. First, open your Shopify and make sure to log into your account. I am assuming that you have already linked your Shopify to AliExpress. If you've done that step, just search these on the search box over here or go directly to your DS AliExpress site. After that, make sure to log in. Mine is already logged in since I've already connected these two apps. From here, go to your left side menu and tap the import list over here. As you can see, I don't have any products yet on my AliExpress. To add one, just scroll down a little bit to the recommendations over here. Let's say we want to add this bag. Tap on that and check its details. If you think that you like this product in your store, copy the link on the top, and then let's go back to the import list over here. Now you want to paste the link you copied right here and tap on search, and it will automatically be added below. Check this box over here and click push to store over here. Edit the details on push products. Once you think that you're good to go, hit push to store below. Wait for it to load, and that's basically it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.